Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Okay, maybe there's a problem with my iPhone then. Hi Farzok. Hello Nayyar Saab. How are you? Good. Okay, gladly. Maybe there's a problem with the iPhone and sometimes maybe from Instagram. Shayad. I'm doing good. I just came from a wedding, one of my clients' brother's wedding. I was invited in, so um, I just came home. Thought to come live क्योंकि बार बार रेडी होना पड़ता लाइव आने के लिए. Anyway, so I thought to talk about war between entrepreneurs and our struggles. Thank you so much, Nair Saab. Thank you so much. Means a lot. So the war between entrepreneurs and the pandemic and the circumstances that we deal on daily basis. Um, and one of the core reason that most of the entrepreneurs have had pretty good hard time, and I thought to talk about that because it was pretty uncertain situations we were living in, and we were thinking to either to quit, either to do, either to make it happen, either to get back to the jobs और कोई और बिज़नेस शुरू कर लें. तो मुझे फील हुआ मुझे इस पे बात करनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये एक बहुत बड़ी जंग होती है जब आप कोई चीज़ करना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में और आप बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें एफर्ट्स भी पुट कर चुके होते हैं और उसके बाद सडनली when you're doing so well and suddenly there is another hit that you get. So I thought to talk about on that thing because I was just thinking today. Uh, no, nahi Fahad. Have I ever given any makeup tutorial? Nahi bhai, I'm not in that league. Though I can do a good makeup, but only to myself. But nahi yaar, my core, my blood, my flesh, my soul, my spirit belongs to business and communication. So I am only focused in that. तो जो मेरा आज का टॉपिक है उस पर दोबारा मैं आती हूँ जो कि है हम लोग क्या क्या एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस जो था जब पेंडेमिक आया और जब इवेंट्स का बिज़नेस बिल्कुल इवेंट्स का क्या काफ़ी बिजनेसेस मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेसेस गॉन इन सच बैड शेप जो कि बहुत अच्छा कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे. फूड एंड बेवरेज इंडस्ट्री हो गई आपकी, टूरिज़म इंडस्ट्री हो गई आपकी, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इंडस्ट्री हो गई. और एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को उस वक्त उसका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या होता है और उसके बाद हमें जो थॉट्स आ रहे होते हैं, जो हमारा माइंड किस तरीके से हमें लेके चल रहा होता है, वो बड़ा सिनिकल एक सिचुएशन होती है. और people who knows what the cash flow is when and suddenly you feel and you see the blockage on the cash flow, you become so rigid about the situations कि आपको उस situation में रहना नहीं है. और आप लोगों ने सुना भी होगा कि काफ़ी CEOs और entrepreneurs ने सुसाइड अटैम्प्ट किया है. जर्मनी में हुआ है, UK में हुआ है, US में हुआ है. कुछ लोग जिनको मैं जानती हूँ they are back to Pakistan, they were doing great businesses in US. Most of the people back to Pakistan from Dubai, London is in historical hit in such this heavy recession. Pakistan always been so lucky about sustaining in every situation, whether it's हम जानते हैं पॉलिटिकल नॉर्म्स में हम लोगों ने क्या टाइम देखा है व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ you know I don't want to say this, but I hope you guys can understand earlys of 2000 or mid of 2000, 2005, 4, 13, 12 वाला जो जोन था उसमें हम पॉलिटिकली क्या किन को फेस कर रहे थे, किस तरीके से हम चल रहे थे. इसके अलावा और इसके अलावा हमने जो चीज़ें फ़ेस की हैं वो है फिर इकनॉमिकल कर्ज़ों में डूबना, यू नो, पॉलिटिकल हुकूमतें बदलना, फिर एक नया जोन आना, फिर एक नई चीज़ें दोबारा शुरू करना, फिर जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट्स, पॉवर्टी, you name it. Like Pakistan, मतलब पाकिस्तान आई वुड से वन ऑफ दैट बुल जिसको आप मारो दोबारा मारो वो फिर खड़ा हो जाता है, वो फिर लड़ने के लिए खड़ा होगा. सो मैं ये सोच रही थी कि ये जो सिचुएशन हमारी इस दफ़ा की थी, पॉलिटिकली वी वर फाइन, बट to the real scenario, if I would say, within, as being a human and as being an entrepreneur in this country और across the world, because अब तो पूरी दुनिया में हुआ था और ये चीज़ अभी भी जारी है कुछ मुल्कों में. Pakistan been so lucky in such situations, but I have seen a lot of people losing jobs. I've seen a lot of people closing their businesses, felt really demotivated. Hello Ali, hello Fahad, hi Ali, I hope you're doing great. अच्छा, मैं questions भी देख लेती हूँ. Is there a good time to start a new ventures? So what are your predictions regarding future in COVID-19 times? Thank you Ali. Thank you so much, means a lot. Okay, तो मैं इसका भी जवाब दे देती हूँ आप लोगों को. किन्होंने सवाल पूछा है? Dori Kazi, what are your predictions regarding future in COVID-19 times? My prediction for future was like बस दुनिया ख़त्म हो गई है, क़यामत आने वाली है. और जितना काम मैं कर सकती थी मैंने कर लिया है, क्योंकि रिसेशंस तो डिफरेंट होते हैं ना. ये ऐसा रिसेशन तो मैंने पहली दफ़ा देखा था अपनी इस एरा में. सो मेरी ये प्रिडिक्शन थी, लेकिन उसके बाद मुझे ये भी था कि इफ़ आई एम अलाइव एंड इफ़ आई हैव दिस लाइफ, व्हाट आई एम गोना डू, एंड दिस इज़ द ओनली लाइफ एंड टाइम आई हैव. सो इफ़ वन थिंग इज़ इन हैपनिंग, what is the next thing that I could do? So I started another venture which is Armia, जो चल रहा है. और उसके साथ I recently got into real estate, because real estate I always wanted to be in. It's one of the easiest money making industry which is untapped for women in Pakistan. So I do want more women to come forward and join this industry, just like stock market. Stock market is still untapped for women. I don't know about cryptocurrency when we are going to launch this, but I'm so 100% sure if a women can land into this industry, or anyone, anyone in our youth, अगर वो हमारी यूथ सही जगह दिमाग लगाए तो we should be very focused how to earn money right now, because for the future I think it is more serious step that we need to take to save money. And whatever the efforts we are putting in, it's good to live and fulfill our wishes, but it's good to save money because we never know what is the next hit we're going to get. We cannot predict future, but what we can do now is right now I am can my today's working can make my future. I'm working today so that I can make my future. So रेस्ट दैट्स ऑल यू कैन डू राइट नाउ. उससे पहले तो आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. तो मेरा भी यही पॉइंट है. आई एम सो सॉरी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस माई पपी वॉइस. ही इज़ ऑलवेज वेरी डिस्ट्रैक्शन. सो ये मेरा है फॉर फ्यूचर. सो आई कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट फ्यूचर, यू कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट फ्यूचर. आई थिंक कुछ लोगों को पता होगा, पाकिस्तान के ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता. लेमन्स कोलैप्स हुआ था, रिसेशन आया था 2008 में. बहुत बड़ा रिसेशन था ग्लोबली और काफ़ी बड़ा हिट था यूएस को. लेकिन आप इन इकॉनमीज़ को देखें कि वो खड़ी हो जाती हैं. वो क्यों खड़ी हो जाती है? बिकॉज दीज पीपल I would say very much focused how to make money. So I think we really need to learn from them. So एक ये चाइना, जापान, ये जो हमारी ट्राइब्स हैं, जापान और चाइनीज़ जो है, इनकी हिस्ट्री सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इनकी हिस्ट्री, इनके बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज दे पिक फ्यू steps to make their future alive. So this is for your future question, Kazi. I hope I made it clear somehow. So then the next question is this the good time to start new ventures? Yes, every time is a good time to start new venture. You guys don't need to see ये अच्छा टाइम है, ये अच्छा टाइम नहीं है, ये अच्छा टाइम होगा, कब होगा, अगर अच्छा टाइम नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, मेरा बिजनेस नहीं चला तो क्या होगा. नो गाइज, यू रियली नीड टू पुट इन द वर्क. You have to be very aggressively working. If you believe in something, keep on doing it. Make your own company and keep on doing it. लेकिन अभी दोबारा एक वेव आ रही है कोरोना की वेव आएगी. पता नहीं कितनी वेव्स आएंगी. डेंगू की भी, अभी डेंगू में मोर्टीन्स के ऐड देख रही थी, डेंगू की भी शायद वेव आने वाली है. तो ये भी वेव्स आएंगी. सो इट्स ओके. हेलो, यू कैन टेल मी अबाउट अच्छा ओके. What's the analysis on PSX? Pakistan Stock Exchange is going so well. मैं अभी भी खोल लेती हूँ क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम ही मेरी ये बात हुई थी स्टॉक मार्केट के हवाले से. Stock market, okay. PSX index. Yes. Pakistan stock market is going really well. इसकी आज की भी क्लोजिंग पॉजिटिव उस पर हुई है. यस. What day was today? आज तो बंद होगी ना. कल प्लस पॉइंट्स थे. इसके वॉल्यूम हमारा था, सॉरी, वॉल्यूम हमारा था 1 बिलियन के हिसाब से. सो it's going so well, better than the other stock markets right now. UK की भी stock market दोबारा, I think UK will be starting operating and opening their lockdowns. That's what I've heard. There are few event planners that I'm following. They are on strikes. They've been talking to their presidents and their government. So I think that will go well as well. US ने रिकवर कर लिया है क्योंकि बहुत शोर था इस बारे में कि भाई मतलब उन्होंने वो इतनी बड़ी इकॉनमी को बंद नहीं कर सकते दोबारा, जानते हुए कि प्रिकॉशंस क्या है. सो दे आर टेकिंग द प्रिकॉशंस एंड दे आर ओपनिंग जस्ट लाइक पाकिस्तान. सो Ramesh, stock market is going well. I am so looking forward for the cryptocurrency to make it, liable here in Pakistan, so that at least one should know what is happening in the entire world. I don't know what we are doing. Um, I know I've been following you since you're working with 18. I was not working with 18. I'm still an ambassador with 18. So I was marketing their products out, and because I'm still having my international title with me. तो उनके लिए, क्योंकि बाहर जो लोग रहते हैं आधी चीज़ें उनको पता होती है, और रियल एस्टेट के लिए हमेशा इट्स ऑलवेज बिन वेरी नेगेटिव एनालिसिस हियर इन पाकिस्तान. आधे यहाँ के हमारे पाकिस्तानी बाहर के लोगों को डरा देते हैं कि वो वापस ना आए, और आधे वहाँ के वैसे ही डरपोक होते हैं कि वापस आए तो फिर क्या होगा, या तो वो बहुत ही शार्प होते हैं. और आजकल के जो पाकिस्तानी जो मैं बाहर देख रही हूँ, मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कि वो शार्प नहीं है, दे आर वेरी 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 शार्प, बट दे टेक कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क. तो ये भी बहुत देखना पड़ता है. मेरी किसी रिसेंटली अभी मेरी बात हो रही थी प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से. देवर लाइक ही आस्क्ड मी द सेम क्वेश्चन, दैट person, that Munaza, why people think in Pakistan that we are fool if you are coming from outside. मैंने कहा no. If you are saying you are a fool, then you are a fool, bro. If you are treating yourself as a fool in front of us, then you are a fool. We are naive. We are naive here in Pakistan because we have no idea what is happening outside. We are more focused about the entertainment, PSL, TikTok, newses. We are not actively working the way you guys work, because you guys are very focused in working. So मैं ये बोलूँगी, तो बाहर का जो बंदा पाकिस्तान आ रहा है उसको सब पता है कि, और if he is treating himself, you are a fool. Okay. I'm working on my coffee shop business. Need to discuss some inputs from you. बताएं inputs, मैं आपको दे देती हूँ कॉफ़ी शॉप के बारे में. Hello Idris, how are you? Hello Maha, hello Waze, Walaikum Assalam Hamad. Okay, there's a question. Do you see future on digital marketing in Pakistan? I think digital marketing is happening everywhere now. Future क्या है पाकिस्तान में, मतलब it is already happening in Pakistan. If you talk about the crypto thing, crypto is the only thing which is not legal in Pakistan right now. But whenever you search crypto, it is somehow legal in Peshawar. मैंने कुछ वेबसाइट्स देखी थी जिस पे पेशावर पे और जैज़ कैश के ऊपर कुछ जाके लीगल हो चुका है. हाफ जिनको नॉलेज है वो ये कर रहे हैं. तो जब तक ये लीगल यहाँ पे नहीं होता तब तक आप लोग इसकी स्टडी करना शुरू कर दें. आई एम डूइंग स्टडीज़ अबाउट क्रिप्टो करेंसी. बिटकॉइन के अलावा भी बहुत कॉइन्स हैं. वन पर्सन यू फॉलो, योर सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन. there are many. I even learn from my team members as well. There's just not one. There are a lot of people who are younger than me, who are working with me, my own colleagues, my friends who are in touch with me. So just for example, I think Idris is here, and Idris, one of the hardcore businessman, and I've never seen him taking a day off because he is 24/7 working, and he is working so well, he's doing so well. So मुझे सबसे सीखने को मिलता है. मुझे हो सकता है आपसे सीखने को मिल रहा हो. So everyone is an inspiration for me. I don't go with there one guy, Gary Vaynerchuk, I like. He's very authentic. He talks about the truth of the life. The second person I really love is Grant Cardone. He's a mafia based seller. So he's the one whom I really, really, really like. Okay, so Nand Kumar Raju, I'm waiting for your input. So at least I should know what you are up to and what you want to do. Hi Bhagat. Hello Atif. Thank you. Okay. Any plans to meet up on startups near future? Any plan for a meetup? You want me to arrange a meetup for startups? I think we did that 2019 January. We did that. We called Faik from US. We called Fakhar Imam from Saudi. Yeah, we did that. Yeah, we can do that. Why not? So I hope you got my points. What I was just talking about, कि if when I was in that situation where my event work was not happening because the event industry got so down, so I thought to build something of my own, something different where my expertise lie. So I was not thinking what is the right time to do the business or what is the wrong time to do the business. There's no time to do anything. It's just you just keep on doing it. You just keep on actively working on it. So I think मेरी battery okay, it's just 19%, so खत्म हो जाएगी. One, let me just conclude the points. Whenever there's any other recession, look for other side of the picture. Maybe leave that one picture which you were already focusing on, उस picture को छोड़ के दूसरी picture की तरफ जाएं, maybe, or try to paint a new picture for yourself to do something differently. I did that for myself. I'm talking about it because I did that for myself. um, Second thing, there is no right time for anything. It's always the right time for do everything that you want to do in that particular time, only if you're doing the right thing. This is one of the things that we need to understand, that whatever we are doing, we need to ask ourselves, are we doing this, is it the right thing that we are doing or not, whether it's our talking to people or how we are talking to people or even sharing our ideas. मैं ये कोशिश मैं आपसे ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी, वट एवर बिजनेस यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, डू नॉट शेयर विद एनी बडी, डोंट शेयर द आइडिया विद एनी वन until unless you know that person really appreciates you or acknowledge you or want to see you grow, तब तक आप शेयर मत करें. ठीक है, अगर आप ग्रो करना चाह रहे हैं, आप इसको अपने तक रखें. दिस इज़ योर स्टोरी, दिस इज़ योर कहानी, एंड you need to work upon that. This is your effort, not someone else's effort. दूसरी चीज़, whenever there's a new recession coming in, I don't want, I'm just God forbid, अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ तो try to be humble with other people and understand what they've been going through, and appreciate everyone, because this is very important to be grateful for others. So I hope I just shared few of the things with you guys, where I can share my 2 cents. It's been long. I have not recorded any video before, so and I'm happy to share that 2 new startups coming along from this pandemic. One is from a very dearest girl. She's the one, she designed my logo for MA Events, which is still with me. Maha Tariq, उन्होंने अपना एक ऑनलाइन आई थिंक सम फूड एंड बेवरेज के हिसाब से कुछ ऑनलाइन शुरू किया है फॉर डिलीवरी एवरीथिंग. सो मैं आई वुड वांट हर टू कम on board with me. There's another organic foods belly जिनका मैंने वो भी किया था. Organic foods belly वालों का they are also the new startup, and they are from my batchmates, so they are very good friends of mine, and I'm so happy that they are growing. And also one more thing, that I have gone into two to three other things as well, just because of my friends, because they give me an idea. They give me an idea to build something new. So बात वही आती है, be inspired from everyone is having their own battles, and try to be gentle with everybody. So business होते रहते, relationships को prioritize करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Can you please pin her contact info for logo and all? I think she doesn't do that. She only did that for me, so I'm gonna pin someone else whom you can talk to. His name is Hamad Saif. He does the designing and everything, so he'll be able to help you in everything. Hamad and Ali can help you, so I'm gonna pin and I'm gonna share their contact details. And if you could share your contact details, I'll forward your contact details to them, so you can have word with them. So yeah. Anything else that I could do, or मैं जाऊँ? And thank you, Nair Saab, for staying with me. I can see there's one person who's watching me, so thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to see you all. And say hi to Sarah. Okay. Hi, Kiran. Hi and bye, Kiran, because I'm going. I just completed my vlog. So thank you so much, and whatever the queries that you guys have, stay with me and share with me. I'll be able to help you guys as well. Thank you. Bye bye.